Slash. Slash can be used to separate words in a sentence, to indicate or, to indicate connecting and conflicting ideas, to separate lines in a poem, play or song, to indicate a fraction, to indicate per in a measurement. It can be used in an abbreviation, and the slash can be used to separate the day, month and year when writing the date. An example of a slash used to separate words in a sentence is, I need to buy a new top and or return these shoes. An example of slash used to indicate or is, the teacher noticed that a student had left his or her bag in class. A slash used to indicate connecting and conflicting ideas is, I took part in the pro-life, pro-choice debate. An example of the slash used to separate lines in a poem, play or song is, Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb, Mary had a little lamb. So as you can see, the slash is used to separate each sentence. An example of a slash used to indicate a fraction is half, 1/2. An example of the slash used to indicate per in a measurement is, he was paying £1,000 per month. A slash used in an abbreviation is, she turned the AC on. AC is the abbreviation for air conditioning. An example of the slash used to separate the day, month and year is 13th of the 5th, 2019. So this is generally how we write the date, and the slash is used to separate out the day, month and year.